Good morning students. Welcome back in Science World. Students, in previous period we was discuss about teeth and their types, and we are also discuss about the caring of teeth. Now today we are going to start our new point, that is microbes. Microbes means what? In which we are learn about the meaning of microbes, types of microbes and their habitat. So you know very well about that the microbes. What is meant by microbes? Do you know that? What is meant by microbes? A very small living organism. The very small living organism is called as microbes. Microbes, that word is made by microorganisms. They cannot be seen with our open eyes or naked eyes. They cannot be seen with naked eye because it's very small particle. That's why we cannot see our open eyes. Hence is called as microbes or microorganism. Micro, that means very small particles. They can be seen only through in a microscope. We can see only through a microscope. Microscope is a device by which we can see microorganisms. Microbes are found everywhere. Microbes are found everywhere, in water, in air, in soil, inside or outside the body of plant, animals and humans. In fact, we can say that about the microbes. Microbes are present everywhere, inside or outside the body of all living organisms, and also in air, water and soil. Microbes grow rapidly when they get warmth, air, moisture and food. Some microbes are useful for us and some microbes are harmful for us. We are studying about microbes in a next point, kinds of microbes. Actually, there are mainly 4 types of microbes. How many types of microbes? There are 4 types of microbes. That is, number 1, bacteria, number 2, viruses, number 3, fungi, number 4, protozoa. Number 4 is protozoa. These all are the microbes or microorganisms. The organism which is very small in size is called as microorganisms or microbes. So, out of which the first one type of microbes, that is bacteria. What is bacteria? Bacteria is a single cell microbe. A single cell microbe is called as bacteria. It can be of varying shape like rod shaped, spherical shaped, comma shaped or spiral shaped. These are the shapes of bacteria. The bacteria is found in a different shape. For example, spherical, comma shape, rod shape or spiral shape. The next one type of microbes, that is viruses. Microbes smaller than bacteria is called as viruses. The viruses are smaller than the bacteria. The third one type of microbes, that is fungi. The microbes that grow on a dead and decaying matter is called as fungi. We are observed that at home on pickles or bread there is a one spongy substance are present on the bread or pickles white in color, that is white in color is called as fungi. The next one type of microbes, that is protozoa. Protozoa are also single cell microbes. Likewise bacteria, the protozoa also single cell microbes. These microbes are harmful as well as useful for us. So harmful microbes, which microbes are harmful and which are helpful for us? The harmful diseases causing microbes are called germ. Because of bacteria, the disease caused typhoid, pneumonia. These diseases caused by bacteria. So like these microbes are harmful for us. Next one point is useful microbes. Which microbes are useful for us? Let's see. There are some microbes that are useful for us in a many ways. For example, a fungus called yeast. Yeast is one of the microbes which is we cannot see by your eyes, and that yeast microbes helps to make soft cake and bread. By making of bread and cake, use yeast product, that is called yeast microbes. In the process of making bread or cake, we are use yeast microbes. So these yeast microbes are useful for us. Next one example is lactobacillus bacteria convert milk into curd. If we are convert the milk into curd, then we are used lactobacillus bacteria. That lactobacillus bacteria are convert milk into curd. That's why these lactobacillus bacteria are useful for us. I hope you all are got it about the harmful and useful microbes, and also what is meant by microbes. I repeat once again the definition of microbes. Very small living organism, that is called microbes, or which is we cannot see by naked eyes. There are four kinds of microbes: bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. I hope you all are got it about that. Thank you.